Do you see what I got? Huh?
What?
I got the veins. The veins. Yeah, my baby daddy got 22s, bro.
Hey, chill out, man. What you doing? Man, them folks looking over here and stuff.
And then we got 215s in the trunk. What are you doing?
You can show them, man. I show them.
What's good, more gang? It's your girl Kyerra back with another banger. I already know y'all read that title, boo. Yes, your girl is about to do the acting ratchet prank. Y'all, I've been getting a lot of people in my DM saying, come Kyerra, come on, man. What's this prank? What's this ratchet prank? But hold up, y'all. Pump your brakes, boo. Because if you new, hit that red subscribe button. Give this video a big thumbs up. Cause baby, this one finna do numbers. Let me start. Okay, y'all. But I'm for real, y'all. I just got back. Quint think I'm. Y'all see the lashes, boo. You go too ready for this break. But Quint in the back, he don't even know I'm back at home yet. He playing the game, the door closed to everything, so he can't hear me. I'm in here while I do hair at. But we finna go to Walmart because we finna do a challenge for y'all. So we finna go to Walmart and I'm just gonna, you know, set the camera up in the car and then I'm just gonna call him and let him know I'm here. So he think I just pull up. But yeah, y'all, don't forget to turn on my post notifications. Y'all share this video, like make it go viral, boo. Let me show y'all what I got on. Y'all don't talk about me. I already know I'm fat, but I had to do this for this prank, so hold up. Oh, let me show y'all. Hold up, y'all. I want y'all to see me. I went to the dollar store. Got the good some nails. See, I had some nails on. I couldn't get the pinkies off, so it looked like that. Girl got her some hoops, the gum in the car, the lip gloss. Like, let me show y'all the feet though. See, he know I don't dress like this because the girl got too much guts. But hold up, y'all sure y'all already see this. The girl trying to get, hold up, let me let this down so y'all. I got me a shirt in the car because I'm not gonna go to Walmart like this. Let me go ahead and set this camera. Let's get into this prank, boo. Okay, y'all, we up in the car. Y'all, I keep saying I don't know how to act ratchet, but I guess you just talk like that and do all your hand movement and got this going. And then y'all, I brought this. I'm gonna make it fun. I'm gonna do something. Y'all just it's a watch, boo. It's gonna be hard for me to stop talking like this, but cause baby, I'm so ready for this, y'all. Baby, people been waiting on me to do it. Babe, on my side, I'm ready. Huh? Don't go in the garage. Come out the front door. We're gonna go in your car. We ain't gonna go in my car. All right, baby. Come on.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Oh, I was gonna say, let me make sure I got my shirt. Yeah, let's see that. Gosh. Let me go put one piece of on me. Y'all, I'm proud of. I ain't telling y'all. Y'all ain't to watch the video. Y'all, don't be in the comment section. Oh, she's so ghetto. It's one of the prank. Because I had somebody tell me I was ghetto on one of my pranks. I was chewing gum. Baby, I love gum. Period, poo. Okay, y'all. I'm trying to stop talking. Okay, he gonna go for the color. There you go, y'all. There you go.
Hey.
Oops. took you forever.
You think you going like that, bro?
Why not?
You ain't gonna walk my like that. And stop showing that going like that.
I'm sorry, boo. Damn. Pump your brakes, relax. Take a chill pill. I'm sorry, Daddy. Come on, let's go.
You can go in the house and change the clothes.
Baby, what's wrong? Ain't like my butt out in there.
Man, well, baby.
Like, come on. Let's go. We gotta do the challenge, remember? Rule number 1, make sure your lips is glossed.
You stop smacking like this. What's wrong with you, bro? Why are you talking like that?
Like what?
Like that.
Did I? Kyerra talk. Like, hold up, baby. Don't hit the 4 car, honey. I'm so glad. See, I know you thought we were gonna ride in my car, but baby, I had to ride in your car, boo. Baby, got to ride on these 22 with these 2. What you got in the back? 12? No, them 15s, baby. My man got 2 15s in the back. Honey. Wait.
What you acting like that?
Take a chill pill, boo. So, yeah. I can love me some gum.
It's my gum. Put my gum down, man. Dang.
My bad, Quint. Damn. Her belt is on point.
You should brush your teeth, man.
Oh, I brushed them, baby. They going deep, baby. Like me.
Yeah, you showing out. You need to chill out.
Don't call me Kyerra, baby. It's Kyerra. Get it right, boo.
What you got?
Period. Gushers. Baby. You keep on.
Baby,
Don't make you horny. I knew you were gonna. I saw them start acting like a bird, cause you know what, baby, ain't nobody basic. Like, forget that period, poo. Like a baddie, baby. Hold up, let me show. I know you finna love it. I did this just for you.
what?
I got the bangs. The bangs. I got the bangs. The bangs. You see? I got 2 scoops. I got the bangs.
You showing out.
But I ain't sit around on bikes. Like, they gonna have to bounce up and get a car like that on some 22 with 2 15s in the back. Period. Let me see what you're doing for me.
You so loud.
Look.
Hey, what's up with these nails?
You don't like them? I
Long, thick ass lashes. God dang.
Well, it's my glue, cause baby never know when a snail might pop and have to super glue that shit back on. See, I'm showing out. Guess what I'm gonna do? Start calling you baby daddy. I'm start calling you baby daddy. You keep on. That's just my baby daddy, and I'm gonna put you back on child support. Get that money. Get that money, boo.
You know what ain't got nothing to you today.
Get that money, you good?
I ain't going to walk with you. You going by yourself.
Baby, forget that. You know what? Instead of this, you need to buy me a Gucci bag. A Gucci, a Louis, a Dolce & Gabbana, whatever it's called. Period. I got the bangs. The bangs. The bangs. I I just love gum.
Man, give me that gum, man. Get my gum, man.
What you need to do is watch the road. Cause I got me. And put that seatbelt on, baby. Cause I bitch, me. Need these things to sit up. Ain't nobody got time to put no seatbelt on, compressing them for what?
Man, get that paper now.
My bad. My bad, Big Zaddy. My bad, Quint.
You know, you can make your hand now when you leave over. Come on now. How you playing with your gum for?
Hold up. Yeah, like. It's gonna rain, baby. Baby, I can't be getting this wet. Cause you squeeze this car right between them. Oh. Cause tell me, you got a baddie in the car. You ain't got time to be standing at no stoplight, boo. Tell them, you got a baddie, baby. Forget a wifey, you need a bad one. Like you got. And I'm just gonna tell you this, but I ain't trying to hurt your feelings. I ain't trying to talk down on them, but I've been cool, calm, and collect with the rain. I need a rock now, baby.
You got plenty of my daddy, yo. You better pick your one.
I need a rock.
You got plenty, yo. You better pick your one.
Hold up. Pop for pimp.
How can you even see with those things? They like broom screens.
Don't. Wait.
I'm laughing.
Find you somebody to play with, baby. Don't talk about my lashes.
Just saying.
My phone. I gotta snap it up for the gram and for Snapchat, boo.
Come on, man.
Wait.
Oh, damn gun, man. Your jaw bone should be strong as hell.
It is.
From what?
I'm finna show you. Damn, I'm fine. You like the bangs? Huh? You said I was turning you on.
You turn me out now.
Turn you out for what? You know what? Give me your check Friday. You get paid every week. I let you keep the one yesterday. Next Friday, that was mine.
Man, you don't go on all that bull.
Hey, I got the bangs. The bangs. Yeah, my baby daddy got 22.
Hey, chill out, man. What you doing? Man, them folks looking over here and stuff.
And then we got 215s in the trunk. What are you doing?
You can show me, man. I saw it.
Unlock that window.
You ain't going to know by yourself.
Stop, hold up. I got the bangs.
Yeah, I'm finna leave you.
Okay, chill out.
You ain't getting any kind of money. You gonna go
Why?
You gonna go somewhere from now when you get in your own car. I ain't going with you acting like that.
Unlock the window, babe.
Hell no.
Unlock the window.
I ain't like that one. You doing too much now.
So you shaming me?
Yeah.
I'm your wife.
No, you ain't.
Ooh, that blonde cute. Let that down so I can say how it's cute. I like your bangs.
You doing too much, man.
What's wrong with compliment another bad one? Baby, she a baddie. She a baddie. Period. Period.
Oh, now you spin now.
Period. Point blank. Period. That's just my baby daddy. Cause I'm finna put you back on child support. I'm finna put you back on child support.
I ain't gotta pay that.
I'm finna put you back on child support for 3 years, boo. Get money.
Doing too much.
Cause I'm finna put you back on child support. Back on child support. Get my. I need this out. My nails did. Come on, baby. Let's get the mess. Baby, I'm tired of wearing these masks. I'm too fine for this, baby. They gotta see that cute face, honey. They gotta see that cute face. Come on.
I ain't going in there with you. I told you I was playing.
Baby, come on. Oh, I'm sorry I scratched you.
No, man.
Give me a kiss. So you gonna do me like that? It's just Kyerra. That's a prank. A prank. A prank. It's just a prank. Okay. These heavy. And these hurt. The camera on, boo. Ooh.
Wow.
What wrong with my mouth? Oh, my nail pop. These are press-ons. Come on, look at it. Look at the back. Did I do it? Kyerra, did we burn that prank? Bang, it's a prank. That'll make you shine when I holler out the window.
You ain't get back in the car for real.
Baby, I'm getting back up in that car. I know what you're talking about. It's a prank, but come on, it's raining. We gotta get in Walmart, baby. We gotta get up in Walmart, baby. I got time to be running here getting brain on. I thought you liked it. You said I was turning you on. What makes you turn on? How I touch you on? A girl look good, huh? A girl look good, huh? Oh, these things. Press on, I'm gonna stretch. A girl look good, huh? Sure. Hold on, let me take the lip gloss off. Come on. Bring it to mama. Bring it to mama. Come on. Bring it to mama. Bring me delicious. If you gonna do all that, I'm for real. I look good. If I look good, say I look good. If I look good, say I look good. But y'all, this is a prank. If y'all enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, hit that red subscribe button, turn on the post notifications. Y'all share this video, make this video go viral, make it go viral. Okay, y'all, we gotta get in Walmart, cause let's get it, let's go. It's going too heavy. Let's get it, let's go.